Discover a world of creativity with brand new cutting dies from Stamperia. Flowers, frames, film strips, these dies let you add dimensional details to every project. Hello, it's Emilia Sieradzan, and I'm so happy to present to you the new products I designed for Stamperia, and this is totally new product in Stamperia, cutting dies. Add a nostalgic touch with vintage-style frames, film strips, or create beautiful interactive pieces using envelope die. You will also find playful shapes like stars, hearts, butterflies, and flower making kit. The kit includes everything you need: a soft shaping mat, versatile ball tools in various sizes, stamens, and beautifully detailed flower cutting dies. Create layered blooms that look professionally made, perfect for cards, scrapbook layouts, albums, mixed media, and home decor. Now available from Stamperia.